AI is going to be the most transformational technology in our lifetime. But the biggest question still remains. Will your company be ready? For the last 3 years, I've come up with one inescapable conclusion. Businesses are simply not ready for the coming wave of AI.
Carr is a nationally recognized speaker, thought leader, and entrepreneur. He holds an AI certification from MIT and lectures and trains contractors across the world on how to empower their organizations and their employees with the power of artificial intelligence.
AI is accelerating faster than most organizations realize. And while some companies view this as an existential threat, others see this as a tremendous opportunity. Never before in human history have we had the ability to fundamentally transform the way we work. By empowering our teams to work bigger, stronger, and faster, unlocking innovation that transforms what teams can accomplish. These are the 3 critical takeaways that I'm helping the most innovative companies implement. First, AI literacy. Training and equipping teams to turn artificial intelligence into a compounding tool that maximizes output while remaining distinctly human. Second, developing a clear AI roadmap that aligns adoption with business strategy, risk management, and long-term scalability. And finally, to improve safety, consistency, and quality, we teach companies how to pair the most innovative AI models like ChatGPT, Copilot, and Gemini with custom coding to develop tools that help your organization seamlessly integrate AI directly into your workflows, systems, and operations. Make no mistake, this is the future of work. And when it's done right, organizations don't just change, they compound, all while preserving their culture, values, and identity that make them who they are today. Our mission is to help organizations marry cutting-edge artificial intelligence with authentic intelligence that is intentionally and decidedly human. Because the real risk isn't AI moving too fast, it's leadership moving too slow. The next 3 to 5 years present a defining choice for every industry, yours in particular. The big question is, will your company be ready? I'm Carr, and this is Dynamics AI.